Hello guys, welcome to this live video with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use ICT discount and premium levels to know my daily bias and then to take trades in lower time frames. So now, let me say this. For me, I think this helped me to clearly internalize market structure on daily time frame and then be able to form my bias. Having watched a lot of videos, ICT videos and different content, trying to master um, the art of getting the daily bias right. Um, I came across different style, or let me say, I uh, try different concept, different style to be able to arrive at what will fit my own person. You know, however, each of these style has its own flaws. Its own limitations in my test and everything. Of course, no strategy, no style work 100% every time without having sense of losses. Now, but beyond the losses or win, does that style help me to clearly analyze or visualize the price action on the chart and then be able to determine the bias for the day? So that's what I ask myself. So I think in the quest to master myself through the charts, I like a thought came to me and like an idea that I could just simply stay with using ranges, ICT uh, range, like premium and discounts range levels to be able to project where we are on the chart and also where we're likely to expand to either lower or up. And while backtesting it works fine for me. I've seen that it works and it also helped me to remove some unnecessary losses from my trading model. So let me show you how I use it. The first thing I do is that once I come to my daily chart, try to mark out my ranges. They all call major range and also what I call minor range. You know, um, look at this chart now. Here is the chart. Um, there's swing high, which is I can see as major range is this high to low to this low. So now I'll take my tool to measure the range. Now this 0.5 is 50% level. Above this is the premium range. Now below this is the discount range. Now we are to sell at premium levels and then we buy at discount levels. However, you don't just sell blindly because we're discount at premium level or buy blindly because we're at discount levels. There are things I look for. And one of those things is market structure. What is the trend on the daily chart? So right now we are on a sell trend, right? So having established that we are on a sell trend, The next things to do is to identify where are we in the price. Now, if I go to um, this day, right there, let's say 17th of May, um, this is my major swing range. Now, inside this major, I have a minor swing high and a swing low, which is here, and then this same low. Now, when this swing low formed, with these three candles, right, right like this, shows that price seems to want to reverse a little bit to a premium level to sell from. I will take my fib or this so I use and measure it. Above it is where price will likely draw to sell from. Is that from this OB? So now what will I be doing is that I'll be buying from this day once this swing low has formed until we get to this premium level, which is above 50%. Now, once we get to this 50% above 50 level, I'm not just going to just sell from there. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a shift in market structure on lower time frame to confirm that truly price want to sell from this premium level of this minor range. If not, price can keep going up to the next uh, premium level at the bigger major range on this chart. So on this day, 17th of May, I will buy, right? And then keep buying. You can see that now this day, I want to go right into this day right there on 18th of May to see if there's a market structure on lower time frame. So now you can see the level I marked on daily time frame to mark the premium level. Now on this day, there's some slight shift right here, which I can actually sell from right here. So we have my high and that high here, and then low price keep to fill the fair value gap, and then react from the OB, which is where I could just sell from right here, and then but of course price did not really sell much. Why? Because we are still on this retracement. So price then started to buy below the 50% discount level here on this time frame up. So price keep going up. As you can see, it's keep going higher. So now at what point will you know when to buy or want to sell? When price gets your premium level, um, it's very easy. Like I said earlier, so once price broke this high here, now some could just say that okay, now we're not bullish now. No, because overall we're still selling. Now this break above will just be a liquidity grab, and because we have imbalance above it, you can see we have it right here. And when you measure the major range, that imbalance fall to that exact 50% level. And then also have this bearish order block right there. So it means that we keep buying until get to this level. Now once price get to this level, which actually go to on this day 25th of May, and we start looking for signs that price want to sell from here. And now let me show you on lower time frame what happened on this day to this day until price later sold massively from that place. So on this day, let's go to that time period. So on this day, we're at right here. Um, price, broke this low, but when you look at it, the move that broke this low does not show signs that there is institutional selling taking place. There is no real strong displacement. It's as if just struggling, is not really strong enough compared to this move upward. So it means that the buying is still going on. Yes, and the algorithm is still delivering buy side, you know. And when you measure this major range on this time frame from here to here, you will see that price actually sold to come down to a measure very close to discount level to take out these lows and they continue higher. So it means that on this level, it's a buying move. And then when I now break right here, now this break is a little bit strong when you look at it. So what should you do next? You measure the move again. You want to be selling at price as price actually retrace back to the premium level of that range. And right there we have this bearish order block. And could have take a sell on this day. But what happened? You get stopped out. You lose that trade, right? But yes, you can still lose. And then you keep looking for signs that price really want to sell on that higher time frame premium level. And then when you look at it, what the price did, price sold and broke this low right here. Look at the move. It was a clear displacement with this candle, strong compared to this move. So if I'm the one, I could have easily, you know, ignore this move here until I see a clear move like this. And what happened? Price sold. But when you measure it, price did not retest the premium level. Then until it sold massively down to this level and they came to retest the premium level right there. And what you have at that premium level, you have this bearish order block right here, which is where price sold from. So on this day, could have sold, and then you have actually have a massive profit. So that is 5.5 risk to reward ratio on that move. Of course, price still went up back up again, back into that premium level on the time frame. But now look at what price did. Price went back up to fill the imbalance left behind by the first by the that first major um break that actually have displacement. You see, price came back to test that to fill that imbalance value gap right there. And you can see on this day, now what will you do? You won't just sell right there. You can just sell, right? Of course, once you see a good transaction to sell from. But what I would do is that I will wait until see another break of structure to confirm that place. It's more like a low risk um place. So, and we have it right here. You can see it. So you measure the move after that break, and we have it the high to the low. Price top back to the premium level, above 50%, right to the bearish order block that caused the break of structure. So which is where you can be selling from. Can place your orders there, your stop loss above the high, and then price sold. Well, let's say you miss that move, and you know what to do. You keep following price down until we break or reach the door on liquidity on that daily time frame. So for example now, you know there are a lot of price action actually happen right there. What are you looking for? Bearish price action, not bullish ones. You ignore this, and then we have another break right there. There is no premium to sell from that actually trades to. You keep looking. Now we had this move, you know, and then until we had this clear move, a break. Price did not retest the value gap here. Now price actually created another swing high and low here, and when you measure it, the premium level, right there you have your imbalance and also your bearish order block right at this level. So on this day, you'll be selling at that level. And look at what price did. Price from there sold massively. This is our daily low. So price touched that daily low. And if you want to follow price, since heavily bearish on daily time frame, you can keep following price and then see what happens. Price keep going down, kept going down. So and it gave 30.56 risk to reward ratio, risk to reward on these shorts. So that's it. So it's very easy, very simple. So basically, I sell at premium level if we are bearish on daily, and I also look for that same bearish structure on lower time frame, probably 1 hour time frame, and sell at that premium bearish structure on 1 hour time frame. It's as simple as that. So that's how I do it. So basically, daily structure should be sell at premium level. Then for entry, to the sell structure on 1 hour time frame. So it's as simple as that. So you can ask your questions. I'm going to reply them. If you have anything you want me to clarify you on. So very easy and simple. Thank you. See you next time.